Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSC professional. Right now, this is another episode of safety interview questions about different terms. The next term is corrosive. Corrosive is tending to cause corrosion, means decay or decomposition. Well, a corrosive substance is one that will destroy and damage other substances and with which it comes into contact. Basically, it can cause corrosion to metals and living tissues like skin. It causes chemical burn on contact. But the next term is toxic, means poisonous, means acting as or having the effect of poison. Basically, substance that is harmful to health, such as carcinogens or and poisons, containing or being poisonous material, especially when capable of causing death or serious debilitation or exhaustion or weaken. The next term is toxicity, the potential for a substance to be harmful to health. It is the degree to which a substance can damage an organism. Basically, toxicity can refer to the effect on a whole organism, such as an animal, bacterium, or plant, as well as the effect on a substance of the organism, such as cytotoxicity, or an organ such as liver or hepatotoxicity. The toxic effect or action of a health hazard can be acute, means it is short term, or chronic, long term. Acute are those health effects that are quickly seen, means usually after exposure to fairly high level of or concentration of hazardous substance. Basically, these are immediate effects of the substances. For example, fiberglass can immediately cause itching and skin irritation. On the other hand, chronic health effects are usually developed slowly, means with passage of times, the minor exposure to substance show result after a very long time. For example, breathing a small amount of asbestos fiber will not give any trace, means there is no acute effect. But for long time exposure, means as for month or years, inhaling asbestos greatly increases chances of getting asbestosis or diseases such as lung cancer. The next term is poisons. Poisons are substances that can cause disturbance in organism, usually by chemical reaction or other activity on the molecular scale. When an organism absorbs a sufficient quantity, poison of a substance or plant causing or capable of causing death or illness if taken into the body. Water reactive is the next term. Water reactive means substance are dangerous when wet, means because they undergo a chemical reaction with water. This reaction may release a gas that is either flammable or presents a toxic health hazard. In addition, the heat generated when water contacts such materials is often enough for the item to spontaneously combust or explode. Water reactive materials are incompatible with water, means these material metals are usually stored in containers with oil. Some water reactive substances are also pyrophoric. Pyrophoric means a substance which ignites spontaneously in air at or below 55 degrees centigrade, means 130 Fahrenheit, for example iron sulfide. Pyrophoric materials are often water reactive, as well as it will ignite when they contact with water or humid air. They can be handled safely in atmospheres of argon, basically in our atmosphere of inert gases, or with few exceptions, nitrogen. Mostly, pyrophoric fires should be extinguished with Class D fire extinguisher for burning metals. The next term is carcinogens. Carcinogens substance that is known or suspected of causing cancer. The next term is catalyst, means a substance that initiates or accelerates a chemical reaction without itself being affected by the reaction. The next term is reactivity. Basically, reactivity is the tendency of the substance to undergo chemical reaction either by itself or with other materials and to release energy. It is how various chemicals participate in chemical reaction when they are exposed to other substances. A chemical that react easily with other substances is considered highly reactive. This is it. Hope you have understand the conceptual detail with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.